Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and you know what? Let's face it, jumper cables are old school. What you want is a JackPack, and I'll show you the reasons why. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this new product and the reasons why you're gonna wanna have this in your car. Now, having a battery-based jump pack in your car is not necessarily a new thing. I've certainly had one in my car before, and I've got one in all of my cars just to make sure that you're safe on the road. Now, the nice thing about those battery packs is you can jump your car really easily. Worst case scenario, you can use them to charge your phone. You know, they have multiple uses, right? Now, this is the new JackPack Ultra2500 from Bendpack. I am really excited to get my hands on really early with one of these because this has a big difference in it. It's a big battery, not all that unusual. You can jump your car, again, not unusual, but this has a compressor. So I have immediately retired the one I have in my car. We're gonna walk through the new Ultra2500 from Bendpack and how this can be the make or break feature to have in your car. All right, so let's talk through the key features here and really what is a differentiator as far as I'm concerned with this pack. Like I said, I've had a battery pack in my trunk before. I've used them off and on over the last couple of years. But what I was really excited to get my hands on with this is actually the compressor itself. Now, it comes with a number of accessories. So as we get towards summer and better weather, you could potentially use this to inflate rafts and other things if you're going to the park. There's also a ball needle as well. So, you know, hey, you're out playing sports and you want to inflate a ball, you absolutely can do that. So really well thought of to have those additional features. But the big thing is the digital display here where we can actually set what we want for our pressure. Now, I've gone ahead and I've attached the hose here on the side. It's just a simple flip as you would normally use. Set that into the side, set that on, connect it to your tire, and connect. And I think this is what makes this really special to be able to use this compressor. So imagine having a flat tire, because these days most cars don't have a spare tire, which is a bit of a drag. So then you just set up to whatever your increased pressure was going to be, and then hit the pump to start. Now, I'll only run it for a second, one, because my tires are inflated properly, and two, you get the idea of the noise. But this is gonna do a great job in refilling my tire or inflatables or whatever I needed to do on the road, which is a really, really cool feature. Now, and then of course, the other function you have here is jumping your car. So it's got your typical connections here. You've got your big plug that you plug them in, and then you could connect this in and jumpstart just about anything. So if you look at this, this actually has 2,500 peak amps coming off this battery, which should be enough to jump just about anything. Now, it also has your typical flashlight here on the end, which is great. So you press that on. It's really, really bright, as you can tell. Won't point it straight at the camera. And then all your convenient displays to tell you what the charge is in the device. And then you can charge the device itself or charge the battery itself. And then it comes with a cable. It comes with a USB cable that you can use to charge devices. So worst case scenario, your phone's dead. This is a great way to recharge all of those devices. So all in all, this is really, really simple, really easy to use, straightforward. And I highly recommend this. I'm really excited to have this in my trunk because I don't know how many times I've wanted to inflate a raft or an inflatable bed out camping, something like that. You can take this along and it's work really, really well. So for me, the differentiator really is being able to use the compressor. All right, so a really quick, simple walkthrough. And the other thing about the air compressor is it actually has a cutoff. So if you set the pressure to 36 pounds or whatever it's going to be, it's going to run until it hits that level and cut off automatically for you. So you don't even have to keep an eye on it, which is really, really nice. For me, the compressor really is the great differentiator that makes it different from the other products I've had in my car before. And I'm excited to have this in my car, especially as I get towards activities this summer and being able to use it for other things as well. I really appreciate QuickJack and Bendpack for making such a fantastic product. I think the JackPack is going to be absolutely fantastic, plus giving me the ability to give you an early preview of a product that's just releasing. So make sure to check it out. The product description will be in the video description below. Now, while you're there, please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a genuine difference to my channel, and I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.